So let's have this problem. So to solve for x and y, so from this given, and if we extend this line, and this line is also equal to y, then we have now this right triangle, and for this line is equal to this line. Since the length of this line is 120 meters, and this is equal to x, so therefore this line is equal to 120 minus x. So this line is also equal to 120 minus x. Then using now this right triangle, and this side is y, this side is 120 minus x. Then we have now the angle, that's 28 degrees. So from this right triangle, this is the opposite and the adjacent. So using the tangent function, so tangent 28 degrees, that's the opposite, that's 120 minus x over the adjacent, that's y. Then do cross multiplication, so multiply, so that's y tangent 28 degrees equals 120 minus x. Then divide both sides by tangent 28 degrees. So divide by tangent 28 degrees. So therefore y equals 120 minus x over tangent 28 degrees. So this is now our first equation. Then to find the second equation, using the second right triangle, and this side is equal to x. So using now this right triangle, so we have x, this is y, and the angle, that's 46 degrees. So from this given right triangle, so we have the opposite and the adjacent. So using tangent function, so tangent 46 equals the opposite, that's x, over the adjacent, that's y. Then do cross multiplication. So this is y tangent 46 degrees equals x. And to solve for y, so divide both sides by tangent 46 degrees. Divide by tangent 46 degrees, so y equals x over tangent 46 degrees. Then observe from these two equations, so we have the same variable, so we can equate these two equations. So equate equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation number 1, that's 120 minus x over tangent 28 degrees. This is equal to equation number 2, that's x, then tangent 46 degrees. Then to simplify, so cross multiplication. So we have tangent 46 degrees times 120 minus x, then multiply. So this is x times tangent 28 degrees. Then divide both sides by tangent 46 degrees and also divide by tangent 46 degrees. So this is equal to 120 minus x, then equals x times tangent 28 degrees over tangent 46 degrees. Then to find the value for this tangent 28 degrees over tangent 46 degrees, so we have tangent 28 degrees divided by tangent 46 degrees equals, that's 0.51. So this is equal to 0.51x. Then to solve for x, so transpose this negative x to the other side. So this becomes positive x. Then to simplify, so we have this 120. equals 0.51 plus 1x. That's 1.51x. And to solve for x, divide both sides by 1.51. Divide by 1.51. So therefore, x equals, so we have 120 divided by 1.51. So x equals 79.47 meters. Then since we have now the value for x, so we can solve now for y. And to solve for y, using this equation, that y equals x, and x is 79.47 over tangent 46. Then to find out the value for y, so we have 79.47 divided by tangent 46 degrees equals, so y equals 76.74 meters. So these are now the values for x and y.